driving across the interchange and be excited for the fact that it's going to be open pretty soon and all the residents of the San Gabriel Valley don't have to deal with a weave anymore. That's exciting.
That's okay.
Anybody got any? Okay, there we go.
I think so.
So, you want to know how I really feel? I'm cold. No, I'm just kidding. So, right now it's 3:30 in the morning. Yes, I am cold, but I tell you, I am so excited because I am actually seeing come to fruition something that I have been working on with all the local electeds here in the area to make sure that this 10605 interchange is completed. And guess what? Today it's opening. I'm the first one, along with some of the council members, John Fasano, to drive across it. And as cold as it is, I'm just excited as can be. Thank Caltrans. They've done an incredible job. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up to Caltrans. Great job.